The psychology of motivation. How to stay excited about learning English. Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart English Start. Have you ever started learning English full of excitement only to lose motivation after a few weeks or months? Maybe at first you studied every day, but now you struggle to even open your textbook. This happens to almost everyone, and it's not your fault. It's just how human motivation works. The good news? You can rewire your brain to stay motivated long-term using scientifically proven psychological techniques. In today's video, I'll show you why motivation fades and 6 powerful strategies to keep your excitement for English learning alive. Why do we lose motivation? Psychologists say motivation has 2 main types. Intrinsic motivation. You learn because you enjoy it, find it interesting, or want to grow as a person. Extrinsic motivation. You learn because of external rewards like passing an exam, getting a promotion, or impressing others. Most people start with high extrinsic motivation. They want results. But if they don't find intrinsic motivation, they lose interest. The solution? Make English learning fun, rewarding, and personally meaningful. Step 1. Set personal goals that inspire you. Many learners set vague goals like, I want to be fluent, but that's too broad and hard to measure. Instead, set specific, exciting goals. In 6 months, I want to watch Stranger Things without subtitles. By next summer, I want to travel to London and confidently order food. In 3 months, I want to give a short presentation in English at work. These personal goals keep you motivated because they give you a clear reason to keep learning. Try this. Write down one specific, exciting English goal right now. Step 2. Make English learning feel like a game. Your brain loves games, challenges, and rewards. That's why apps like Duolingo and Quizlet are so popular. You can turn English learning into a fun, rewarding experience by using streaks. Keep track of how many days in a row you practice English. Earning rewards. Give yourself small rewards after completing study goals, like watching your favorite show. Competing with friends. Find a study buddy and challenge each other to reach milestones. Try this. Download a habit tracker and start an English learning streak today. Step 3. Use identity-based learning to stay motivated. Instead of thinking, I need to study English, reframe it as, I am an English speaker. When you identify as an English speaker, your brain sees learning as a natural part of who you are, not just a task to complete. Talk to yourself in English daily. Surround yourself with English content. Celebrate small wins. Every sentence you speak is progress. Try this. Write down, I am an English speaker, and say it to yourself daily. Step 4. Keep learning exciting with variety. Motivation dies when learning feels repetitive. Keep things interesting by mixing up your study methods. Watch comedy shows like The Office or Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Listen to podcasts like The Daily or TED Talks Daily. Read articles about topics you love, sports, fashion, tech, travel, etc. Try this. Switch up your study routine this week by using a new resource. Step 5. Surround yourself with English every day. Immersion makes learning effortless. Even if you don't live in an English-speaking country, you can create an English environment. Change your phone's language to English. Follow English-speaking influencers on Instagram and Twitter. Join online communities where people communicate in English. Try this. Follow 3 English-speaking accounts on social media today. Final challenge. Build long-term motivation for English learning. For the next 7 days, set a personal English goal that excites you. Make learning fun with streaks and rewards. Embrace the identity of an English speaker. Try a new learning method to keep things fresh. Surround yourself with English content. Comment below. What's your biggest motivation challenge? Let's fix it together. Stay motivated and see you in the next video.